Rough boy, JFX, big up, California.
Give me touch and thing there, yeah.
God of mercy. Rhythm.
Yes, yes. Are you ready to get some sound again? Ready for the blood gush now. Why?
So no go dead, me say so no go dead.
Wow!
JFX put a shot in a them head. So no go dead, me say so no go dead.
Yeah!
JFX put a shot in a them head. Pass me the paper, pass me the pen. If you have a start, must have a end. 5 plus 5, you want to 10. Go on JFX if it murder them car. Zungu 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 zungu.
And the original.
You know, it's some boy can't play the market.
Yeah.
Them can't play the thing, you know. So like it. Walk one round there, don't play around here.
But there's a footprint FX leaving in this town. So
that pussy can't play that. That pussy can't play that.
there's an imprint that will leave it.
And them tune up again, I want to them naughty boy. Walk
one! You just give it time and give it everything you got. JFX, someone I like to reflect. But man, them can't tell.
never do a bugger talk. Watch out, so kill boy.
You have been spreading, clean back the same thing planting. But everything was messed up that we did. After rumors gone, it will stop.
Hold on, Jeff. Stop it. Pussy. Hold on, no. Don't push the West Coast, you know. Hold on. Me play for my forward them. They beg their forwards. I don't beg forwards around here. Play my next show, my dads.
That's a god and some boy said devil.
Yeah, God, some boy now, country style. Bomba class. One.
Snatch up, bless. My philosophy, where's please? Krossfayah, send on the fire. Krossfayah, no love, one and one. We are getting
Hold on. What me tell you, I'm not taking no forward. Yeah. Then put the that. No, pussy. We're not forcing nothing around here, so you know the only thing we force up I would in a girl. You understand? Play that again, cause my tune is watch it, Matty boy. Play a tune.
You know, Egyptian new sensation and the real champion sound Krossfayah. You man like DJ Curtis, same as a Supa Benz. You man Cali King. You man Akash, you know some Bonico song by Stefan Momenakas. You man is a tension.
What did I say?
Can play like me. In Krossfayah, take them out of misery. Not a controversy, catching everything by me. And the title by it, you want to take me. It's a shame, someone like God, don't be there.
I think best one him do.
Not a piece of sign.
And now, yeah, Krossfayah song.
GLAMMA-D, the flyer from Flood Clot Belize to Florida, come here. Don't fuck around, I will shoot you. Excuse me. Hold on, please listen to me keenly. A batty boy say I'm responsible for Sean Paul. I told him I'm playing. Me responsible for Sean Paul. Of course, no one can help this fire. How the fuck you gonna say I'm responsible for Sean Paul? Yo, Lightfoot, me I play Sean Paul from a blood clot just come out. Who see? Me I play Sean Paul, long blood clot and one to your batty boy. And me alone can get them Sean Paul and play that.
I don't hear. Krossfayah sound, I'm tell them no one exclusive. I'm
I'm
messing
here,
Mikey, I'm messing GLAMMA-D. Supa Benz, I'm messing Paul the Curses. I'm messing Krossfayah sound. Yo. Hey, I want to submit to sound what Krossfayah. Yo. I remember saying, jump and sound never learn. Tell them put down the dub car, jump and skin a burn. What them go pick it up back like the
Yo, you ever tell me about blood clot Sean Paul, Batty boy? Yo, hear me, man. I went Sean Paul and they palm blood clot beating me, I play Sean Paul, Batty boy. I want to hear. What the bomber clot did about? No boy can't play that even matter on. So Sean Paul tell me when they call me on the phone. You can't play that pussy. Yeah, Batty boy, you can't play them thing, play it again.
And don't say, Krossfayah sound, I'm tell them no one exclusive. I'm say, yo, Miss Lady, you can't stand. I'm say, yeah, Mikey, I'm say, GLAMMA-D. Supa Benz, I'm say, Paul the Curses. I'm say, Krossfayah sound. Yo. I want to submit the sound work Krossfayah, I don't know. I remember saying, jump and sound never learn. Tell them put down the dub car, jump and skin a burn. But them go pick it up back like them don't give a fuck. Them not take no chat. Krossfayah don't concern. Fin a little sound, them a hustle money have to earn now. Like them take a wrong turn. Kill up the sound and fun them out. Some of them live life right. Meanwhile, Krossfayah them a kill sound every night. Tell us what we did.
Super goal. Hold on, dump it. Line up the next one. Got one more may I play. Yeah. Lexus, Mr. Love Socks. Love Socks! Pussy, you can't play that Batty boy. You can't figure out thumb in our blood clam out right now in a Batty boy. I want you. Yeah, next one.
Yeah! I just say I get mighty and like I told you before, me to remind you. Krossfayah sound and can't fight you. Yes! What is the gangster selector? You went from your born.
East team, line up.
What is it for Krossfayah, GFX? What is that for them?
Okay. I turned on this. The vibes out there, don't worry about nothing, trust me, people. Anyway, we're there, right? East Coast, West Coast. East Coast team, we're ready? We're not depending too much talking, so we're ready to come line up. We're ready. Bomba cat. Time to start. East Coast. Anyhow, on that East Coast time to start now.
Yeah. Hold on there. I have something to start off for the boy. Yeah. The boy they are soon, they have the black cloud tune. What do you say?
We have a gun and me say your name brand new. Let's go push you and me know say I'm you. Gunshot out and boy blood.
What are they going to do?
Gangsta now we are son and we are enter permission. X amount of
Me say, the Rubbers they run out of tune already. They coming in a bomb smoke and they know what to play. What are you going to do, Buncho? Hold on, stop. Stop. Hold on there. Come see one. Take out that. Take the real set. Take out that. Run the one there.
This is true from Truth and Tech.
We have played the real
Big
set.
up
Take out
Lexus
that.
Superior Sound with Father Lex, D-Easy, and
If the Lexus up here before the day.
Jadaida. Lexus Sound, a superior sound.
Run now.
We got them just a bury you now.
Bomb clock here.
Lexus Sound, a superior sound.
No more, 3 more tunes on the level, yeah? And then I'll do a thing. I'm gonna show you a blood clotting. Alright, me tell you, Krossfayah, JFX, it would have one thing if you was only clashing Super Bowl. But you will clashing Super Bowl and fucking Lexus Superior. You know what that means? You're in a bomb clock double trouble tonight.